Welcome back, PROMATION Nation. In today's video review, we'll be introducing you to the all-new PROMATION 9584EYA Dual Slide Soldering System. This robot features a generous 500 by 500 millimeter working area divvied up between two alternating Y-axis slides. This system allows for greater operator utility and greater application flexibility. Before diving in, I'd like to remind you to click that like and subscribe button to stay tuned for all of our latest product launches and new product introductions. Without further ado, let's dive in. Well everyone, this concludes our brief introduction into the all-new PROMATION 9584EYA Dual Slide Soldering System. I hope all the information in today's video has been useful to you and your automation team in some way. Start your automation journey with us online by visiting www.promationusa.com. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time, and remember to go pro.